I had never been to Riverchase Dermatology, but I had heard so many wonderful things about them in the community. Also, knowing some of the associates at Riverchase Dermatology. I also did my research, and I felt very comfortable about the procedure. I felt very comfortable about the doctors here. When I came for my consultation, the staff was very friendly, very knowledgeable. Any questions I had, they took all the time I needed. They answered everything. They were very, very thorough, and I appreciated that. Sometimes you don't get that anymore, and I felt very important when I came in, and I felt like it was just as important for them to see the results as it was for me. She was going to put an applicator on the area I want treated, that there would be a suction feeling for about the first 5 minutes while the cooling process started. And then it would pretty much get numb, and from there until the end of the procedure I really wouldn't even feel anything. And she was exactly accurate. About the first 5 minutes you feel the cooling going on and that suction, and then I read a magazine and took a nap, and an hour later she said, "We're done." I do see results. It's been almost 4 months, and it's ironic because I had a time I got very busy doing a charity event and wasn't going to the gym, and yet I was still seeing results. The clothes that I was in, they were getting even better. Like most women, we have a couple sizes of clothes in our closet, and I got into a whole new wardrobe. It created a whole new level of confidence. It put me in a size smaller clothing. I felt great this year out in front of the public at a huge charity event, and I know that it was part of the results of my CoolSculpting. The area that I had treated was my lower abdominal. And I know women who have had tummy tucks, and I've seen the healing process, the long procedure. This was perfect. As I said, no downtime, comfortable, in and out in an hour. And because of that, I would even consider a couple other areas. There's a process called Treat to Complete, and that you can do a second procedure on the same area for even better results and lasting results. So I wanted the best results possible. I did a second treatment, and I'm very, very happy with the way it's all turned out. Go in for an hour, have it during your lunchtime, or sneak it in during your mom time, and go treat yourself. It's worth the results.